Let's get back over to Michael's. As Michael, people are starting to make their weekend plans, and we know that we've got some storms and showers on the way.
Yes, that's right, Carmen. All of those storms and showers, all due to this upper level low, this area of low pressure that's going to continue to just dump a bunch of moisture into our area as we move ahead into today and into the weekend. You can already see a lot of that moisture out to our south, and we're already actually seeing some showers outside for this morning. And we have plenty of rain on the way as we move ahead into this weekend, and we will dry out by next week. But once we dry out by next week, we start to see some dangerous heat on the way across North Texas. Let's talk about this weekend first. First alert weather day in place for your Saturday due to heavy rain as well as the threat for flooding. As far as how much rain we're expecting, anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches of rain will be expected across the Metroplex. Now, it's not all going to fall at once, but we will see opportunities for heavy rain likely on Saturday. I think we get a round early, a break by midday, and then another round during the second half of the day overnight into your Sunday. So here's the flood risk for today. It's a level 2 of 4 risk. This is for today into tonight. And then for tomorrow, we also have a level 2 of 4 risk for most of our viewing areas. So just keep this in mind. You never want to drive through a flooded roadway. Expect to see some ponding onto those roadways for sure if we do continue to see, again, heavy rain developing area-wide as we move ahead into your Saturday. So once we look ahead into the second half of the weekend, we will start to see conditions dry out, likely by late Sunday. But before we get there, lots of heavy rain will be on the way. Let's take a look at your first alert radar for this morning. I'm tracking some showers already making their way across North Texas. I want you to go ahead and grab that umbrella on your way out the door. You'll need it at some point today. If you don't need it this morning, you'll need it by this afternoon. I'm expecting scattered showers to continue to push up to our north as we move throughout the day. Right now, Collin County looks like our wettest county. We're seeing some showers making their way across Princeton as well as into McKinney for this morning. So just keep that in mind. The showers will continue to lift northward as we move throughout this morning. And then we have the threat to see some scattered thunderstorms develop as we move ahead into this afternoon as well as to this evening. So if you have any travel plans this weekend, just keep in mind rain is on the way. We see the rain continue as we move into the second half of your Saturday. Notice those heavier downpours developing. And then even into the Sunday morning time frame, we're seeing those showers continue, and that area of low pressure will continue to bring us opportunities for heavy rain Sunday morning. As it pushes out, high pressure starts to build in, and that will really crank our temperatures up next week. I'm talking high temperatures that will be as hot as feeling like 104 to as much as 105 degrees. Let's take a look at that first alert 7-day forecast. Here we go. 80s for this weekend. First alert weather day on Saturday. We're wet through Sunday, drier by Monday, but take a look at these feels like temperatures. Monday feeling like 106, feeling like 102 by Tuesday, and feeling like 103 by the Thursday time frame. So we'll keep a close eye on it, let you know if there's any heat alerts issued, and let you know if we need to issue any first alert weather days due to the heat.